Kardom. And a very good evening to our beautiful judges and to one and all present here tonight. I am your contestant number 1, Lirbon Ronghang P. from Japralangso, Hansek Village, currently pursuing my Bachelor of Arts in Difu Government College. And I love dancing, knitting, and singing. And my aim in life is to become a successful woman. And I believe that don't be the failure of your life, be the winner and achieve your goal. Kardom.
Thank you so much, contestant number 1. Contestant number 2, please come forward. Here we have contestant number 2.
Kardom Rong Thilu. Lapen Indeng. Thongke Praisi. Karbi risotto nimso rong aje along. Nangkache tongdun. Pisar pusar. Paya purun po purun. Risotto nimso aklimang pardo alat lapen. Aman kedo kangkrung kangsai. Lapen aman kedo KSA. Landing road at tumapan stame, nilihin pen, ningkarong, ninggang song, lapen, suri akardom pajir iglo, kardom. Nili chipate abang pi paini, lapen nili men sami romir teron pi, nili Charlie bom angdeng lake krehini, bokajan college along, lapen, nili kaike ningkehang, Lapen kaike nili ke klem verasai lake lun karju lapen lo kachilang lapen nili kaya long nili kachiman kangtung lake lo thanbang lasi nili pini nimithang aphan kachipachichini angdeng laan pensi rip ik cheglo kardom.
Thank you so much, contestant number 2.
Kardom Rong Thilu. Aprangsi Piningve Havard risotto nimso rong aje ningkan thongkebra isi kichok along nangchitong dun man pengkido kangkrung kangsai akihai pi lapen Piningve ladak nangchitong dun ara dotum aphan ansitame nilihin pen suri ningkarong ninggang sam akardom pajig irlo kardom. Nili men sami manjika tipi nili charibom ingdeng krehini angdeng Green Valley Senior Secondary School along nili kaiki klemver asai lake lun karju rilong sai kachirab dun lapen kikat adabar ni kangsam
Nili arta lake ningkan kre troxy lan pesi nili lam the ington ingkok po kardom. Thank you so much, contestant number 3.
Kardom Rong Dhilu. First of all, a very good evening to you all, our respected honorable judges and everyone presenting out here. So on today, this evening, I'm very grateful and thankful as I got an opportunity to stand in front of you all and introduce myself. My name is Binuka Teronpi. I am contestant number 4. I came from Soricho, located at the charming town of Bokazan. I am studying in Greenville Senior Secondary School in 12th standard by the stream of commerce. During my free time, I involve myself in such an activities that fuels my passion for creativity and explorations like reading books as well as traveling. And going ahead and talking about my aim in life, I deserve to become a successful independent woman which deserve our country as well as make my parents proud. So by saying these few words, I would like to conclude my introductions. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much, contestant number 4. Kardom Rong Thelu. Nilimen ke sami samika teron pi nili ke wange khatkhati bongru marong mesi nili ke wang nili ke charlie ang denge 9 nili arta ke trade shop. Thank you. Thank you so much, contestant number 5. Kardom Rong Thelu. Nilimen lake sami serhum gram sapi lape nilida kachipati kelang lake nili difu arong sopi tarlang sona thupen lapen nili pinilada kachipati long ipot nining ing sampik lapen ningarong pik lapen nili pinilada kachipati dun hai he sita niningoi e bon sita nida kachipati dun long pot niningarong pik lo lapen nining ke hang lapen nili kachithek mane ke thek lapen nining ke hang akam lake football patu lapen badminton patu ke kan kilun lapen nili ke mangakam lake modeler lapen ke as a dance choreographer. Kardom. Thank you so much, contestant number 6. Number 7.
Kardom, and good evening, judges, and to all you ladies and gentlemen. My name is Nika Teronpi. And I'm from Manja, a place where known as Thank you.
Thank Thank you so much, contestant number 7.
Kardom Rongthelu. Good evening, everyone present over here, respected judges and all the faculty members. My name is Maniming Tipi. I came from Kakadi Barong village. I am currently studying at first year in Pranab Jubilee College. I am 16 years old. My hobbies are dancing, cooking, and traveling. My aim is to become a lawyer as well as a modeler. So from these few words, I want to conclude my introduction. Thank you.
Thank you so much, contestant number 8. 9.
Good evening, respected judges and those who present here in this wonderful night. I am your contestant number 9, Anjona Ingtigatarpi. I'm 20 years young and I'm from the beautiful place of Koilamati, East Karbi. And talking about my hobbies, I love cooking, traveling, acting, and dancing too. And my aim in life is to become a fashion designer. Thank you.
Thank you so much, contestant number 9.
Kardom, and good evening to everyone present here. My name is Sertalin Rohambi and I am your contestant number 10. I am currently pursuing my Bachelor's of Arts from Diffu Government College. And my aim in life is to empower young girls to speak and stand up for themselves, because if they will do, change will come. And as far as my hobbies are concerned, I love cooking and gardening. And last but not least, be humble and kind to yourself. Thank you.
Thank you so much, contestant number 10.
Kardom Rongtilu. Aprang si nili nang chipachini ni aprang ladak nang chitong dun ana panda arniang sama kardom ba jeriglok kardom Nili men Sami Sharmila Das Nili Sukhanjan Bensi Kiwang Nili Ove Kimi Kesias Unit Ahin Bensi nang chipate dun Nelly kemang lake inut keso ki un e tumhan kirap laan me si nililam into ni koklo kardom.
Thank you so much, contestant number 11. Make some noise for Miss Borja.
Senka Tang dia alang itu menlo bang crazy Miss version 2023 Havard Borja dun nabang tiap tu menlo alang itu menlo. Masih kosong lo.